अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू इनसाइड व्यूज़। आज हम पार्ट 2 के ऊपर आ गए हैं अपनी वैट नेगेटिव टेस्ट के ऊपर। पार्ट 2 को शुरू करने से पहले मैं दोबारा आपको कहूँगा कि अपना पेज ले लें। आपको दोबारा मैं 10 सेकंड्स दूंगा, उस 10 सेकंड्स में आपने स्मॉल सेंटेंसेस बनाने हैं। डू रिमेंबर द टिप्स ऑफ स्टेइंग पॉजिटिव, कीपिंग इट शॉर्ट एंड क्लियर एंड नॉट यूजिंग दिस वर्ड एग्जैक्टली एज इट इज़। डोंट स्किप एनी नेगेटिव वर्ड। जनरल नॉलेज का यूज़ करें, प्रैक्टिस करें इसको बार बार। सो गेट रेडी। क्राइसिस, Pakistan is facing financial crisis. The financial crisis leads to widespread job loss, joblessness. Crisis situations require quick and effective solutions. Turn a crisis into an opportunity in growth and innovation. Kill. Killing time without purpose can lead to regrets. The hunter killed the deer for sports. Kill negativity with positivity and optimism. The soldier killed the suicide bomber before he could blast. Reject. She felt hurt when her ideas were rejected. Rejection can be difficult but is a part of growth. Embrace rejection as a stepping stone to greater opportunities. Sorry. He was too proud to say sorry for his mistakes. The lack of a sincere apology left her feeling hurt. Saying sorry opens the doors for helping reconciliations. Pakistan Army made Indian Army feel sorry for their actions. Wreck. Wrecking chaos leads to long-term consequences. The storm wrecked Ruik and the coastal town. Wreck positive change by inspiration others your action. Wreck progress by fostering international collaboration. Serious. The situation was too serious to ignore any longer. His serious expression showed no sign of amusement. Address serious global issues with strategic solutions. Apology serious challenges with a positive mindset and determination. Battle. Battle scar can last a lifetime. Win the battle against adversary, perseverance and determination. Pakistan Army is the only army that has won war against terrorism. Fight battle with wisdom and achieve using peace. War. War brings suffering and devastation to a nation. The war caused widespread destructions and loss of life. Pakistan has launched Operation Azm-e-Istehkam, war against terrorism. Resolve conflicts through peace, not war. Accident. The car accident left several people injured. I had a bike accident. Use every accident as a chance to learn and improve. Implement safety measures to reduce global accidents. Mourn. Mourns gathered to pay their respects. The nation mourned on the loss of the great leader. Hate negativity around the world and replace it with positivity. Men never mourn, as mourning is a sign of weakness. Hard work and be strong. I hope this helped you solving your sentences. Like, share and subscribe. Inside Views. I thank you all.